enlarged boat to go on voyage. That is forms that only allow the said boat categories to shall should the situation warrant it. Also, a boatman suggested that instead limiting boat trade, it should but put restriction on boat entering the Quezon Island, where traversing the route inundated very risky during galley warning and pilgrimage island be allowed to portray instead. Another issue that during the said hearing was different motorboat association in the city. He further asserted that right after the meeting, where the minutes was read, no negative reaction was raised from the group. It is only lately that there are complaints. The chair suggested that Mr. Season be invite to attend the next committee hearing to be scheduled on the second week of January 2020 to enlighten further the committee about this matter. For the meantime, the chair hereby recommend the suspension of the implementation of the memorandum circular issued by the local tourism office as well as the marina boat registration until all issue would be traced out during the next schedule of committee hearing. In view of the above state funding, the committee hereby moves for the adoption of its committee report and another committee hearing pertaining this matter be conducted on the second week of January 2020. The same committee recommend the suspension of the implementation of memorandum circular issued by Mr. Miguel Sison and the marina boat registration until after all issue involved in the subject matter.
Councilor Bakay moves for the adoption of the committee report and committee hearing will be set on January 2020, second week. Anong araw po? Anong araw po ninyo gusto? January. Wala po January. Ano pong araw po para ano tayo? January
9, Thursday, at 10 a.m.
second week. January 9. January 9. January 9, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. po. January 10.
Oo, 10 a.m.
January
Friday.
10, 10. Another committee hearing is set on January 10, 10 o'clock in the morning. Any other amendments? Okay, hearing none, no objections. The committee hearing is hereby adopted. As I said, should be scheduled for another committee hearing on January 10, 10 a.m. Before we proceed, nakita ko na parang haba ng mga reports natin. So, I propose na siguro piliin muna natin yung mga super importante para at least time to deliberate on our matters after the session. Ano pa itong next? Ano ba dito yung mga Ma'am Sec?
Yung kagustuhan sa mga barangay ordinances po. Number 5, committee report from the hearing held November 28. Yung resolution for our city mayor to enter a MOA with Department of Agriculture sa PRCT po. 5 po.
What would regard, ano yung item number 2? Revenue code. Shall we tackle some of the so which reports would you like to prioritize? Lahat na ba to?
Yes.
Walo? Oh.
Deliberation on the said ordinances, ordinance number 2019-01, 2019-02, 2019-04, 2019-05, and 2019-06 are all within the
conferred powers.
Yes, within the existing laws. Barangay Ordinance 2019 does is state that the committee report on the Senate matter and with respect to the committee report on the barangay ordinances of which is item 1 to 6 it be referred for another committee hearing considering it was postponed. With that, the committee moves for the adoption of the said committee report and that it be debated for the business of the day.
Okay. When do we set the committee hearing regarding the San Roque ordinance?
With respect to San Roque, it is scheduled on December 18 at 10:30 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. The committee hearing is set regarding the San Roque Revenue Code. We scheduled for another committee hearing on December 18, 10:30 in the morning.
And Barangay Balayang at 11 o'clock in the morning on December 18.
With regard to item number 4 under committee reports, the ordinances of Barangay Balayang, 6 ordinances is scheduled for on December 18, 11 a.m. With regard to the barangay ordinances of Barangay San Vicente, ordinance number 2019-01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06. The committee chair moves for the adoption of the committee report and the said included this is the day for a resolution that it is within the conferred powers of the Barangay Council and our national ordinances except for 19-03. Tama po? Tama po. So when will we set a committee hearing on the Barangay Ordinance number 2019-03? Your Honor.
The proponent was advised to make the communication.
Okay. Number 6, Joint Committee Report from the hearing held on November 28 with the Sangguniang Barangay of Barangay Mona.
The said dialogue was recessed due to some equally important may I ask for resetting also on December 18 at 30.
Okay kayo doon?
It is requested.
Okay natin yung issue nila? Okay natin.
May I ask that the barangay council be invited individually with appropriate.
Yes, item.
Now we proceed to the business of the day. Under new business, we have second reading of the proposed ordinance and ordinance adopting the implementing rules and regulations of Republic Act number 10028 entitled an act expanding the promotion of breastfeeding. Republic Act number 7600, otherwise known as an act providing incentives to all government and private health institutions with rooming in and breastfeeding practices and for other purposes.
Councilor Zison. Councilor Applebakay.